So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get an eSIM on KOHO Financial. So once KOHO Financial is opened up, go to the bottom right, press Explore. Then once you're on this page right here, there's a bunch of different options. In the top right where it says, actually you want to go ahead and just scroll down a little bit here, or you can go to the top right to where it says Travel. Either way, it'll work the exact same. Under Lifestyle for me, I want you to go ahead and press on where it says eSIM. Travel easy with an eSIM, want data wherever you go, get an eSIM included in your plan, no roaming charges or sneaky fees just like home. If you want to go ahead and proceed with this, press on continue. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you actually have to go ahead and upgrade your plan. So because I have the free plan, I'm not eligible for this, but if you were to upgrade to the essential plan, you'll have access to international eSIM store. So at $7 per month, that's how you can have access to the eSIM store. Obviously, if you have a larger plan, you can have access to 1 gigabyte international eSIM data every month, etc. So once you guys upgrade to the plan, you can then proceed this way with finding an eSIM that matches your travel needs. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can get an eSIM on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.